Dear students, this is Dev's Academy. Today we are continuing the classes CBSE class 9. This is square of trinomials. Squares of trinomials. At the same time, we have also done some factorization. At first, the expand with the formula that is discussed here. A plus B plus C whole square equal to A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CA. Taking common here 2, it is A square plus B square plus C square, 2 into AB plus BC plus CA. From this formula we will get 3 more formula. That is A square plus B square plus C square equal to A plus B plus C whole square minus 2 into AB plus BC plus CA. And 2 into AB plus BC plus CA equal to A plus B plus C whole square minus A square plus B square plus C square. And AB plus BC plus CA, here there was 2. But when these 2 will come on the right side, it will be half into A plus B plus C whole square minus A square plus B square plus C square. Now, how the formula A plus B plus C whole square equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square, A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus BC 2BC plus 2CA, here that has been illustrated. Taking A plus B one at a time and then C. Let this be A and this be C. This is therefore A plus B whole square. Therefore this is A square plus 2AB plus B square. Here B equal to C. And with the same design we have done it. That is A square plus B square plus C square plus 2 into AB plus 2 into AC plus 2 into BC. Taking common, we have got second number, which is there. This is. Now, the first question, A plus 2B plus 5C whole square. Taking A plus B at a time and C separately. That is, this is A and this is B. So, it is A plus B whole square equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square. Again, A plus 2B whole square. So it is A square plus 2AB here and B square. A square plus B square plus 2AB plus 2 into A into 5C, that is 10AC, 2 into 2B into 5C, that is 20BC, and 5C whole square, that is 25C square. So it is A square, it is 4B square, it is 2 into 2, 4AB, 10AC, 20BC and 25C square. Arranging properly, we will get A square plus 4B square plus 25C square plus 4AB plus 10AC plus 20C BC. This is the answer. Question number 2. 2A minus B plus C whole square. Here we have taken 2A minus B at a time and C separately, so that it will be regarded as A and this C equal to B. Again the formula A square, as because this is minus, so we have taken A minus B whole square. That is A square minus 2AB plus B square. After calculating this, we are getting 4A square plus 4B square plus 4C square minus 4AB, 4A square plus B square plus C square minus 4AB minus 4AC plus 2BC. This is answer. Question number 3. A minus 2B plus 3C. Here we have taken A minus 2B as A and C as B. So it is A minus B whole square. And the formula is A square minus 2AB plus B square. So this is again A minus 2B. This is whole square. So A minus B whole square here also again. So it is A square plus 2B whole square minus 2 into A into 2B, and multiplying this we are getting 2A into 3C equal to into 3 6 AC, and minus 2 into minus 2b into 3c equal to 12 BC, and minus 3 whole square equal to 9c square. Arranging this, we are getting a square plus 4b square plus 9c square minus 4ab minus 6ac plus 2bc, which is answer. Question number 4. 2a minus 5b minus 7c whole square. We have taken 2a minus 5b as a and separately 7c. This is regarded as b. So it is a and this is b. A minus b whole square. So it is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Again, this is a minus b whole square. So it is a square plus b square minus 2ab, and by multiplying all these we are getting 28ac and 70bc and 7c whole square, that is 49c square. Arranging these, we are getting 4a square plus 25b square plus 49c square minus 20ab minus 28ac plus 70bc. This is answer question number 4. Next, question number 5. This is also expanding whole square. Minus 3a plus 4b minus 5c whole square. We have taken minus 3a as b and 4a minus 5c as a. So it is 4a minus 5c in bracket and then 3a as b whole square. So as because it is a minus b whole square, so it is 4b minus 5c whole square. This is a minus 2ab. A means 4a minus 5c, b means 3a, and b square minus 3a whole square. Calculating this and arranging, we are getting 9a square plus 16b square plus 25c square minus 40bc minus 24ab plus 30ac. This is answer. Question number 6. This is also same and nothing hard in it. Yet see, half a minus 1/4 b plus 2 whole square. Again we have arranged half a and 1/4 b as a and 2 as b, and we have applied a plus b whole square formula. So it is the result is a square by 4 plus b square by 16 minus 4ab by 4 plus 2a minus b plus 4. This is answer. Next, we have done factorization. It is just a reverse of the same formula. It is the reverse. Just first question, factorization. 4x square minus 9y square plus 16z square plus 12xy minus 24yz minus 16z square. Arranging this properly, we are getting 4x square plus 9y square plus 12xy minus 16xz minus 24yz plus 16z square. If we clearly see that, we will see that 4x square equal to 2x whole square, 9y square equal to 3y whole square, and 12xy equal to 2 into 2x into 3y. Again just see 16xz and minus 16xz and minus 24yz, they have been broken down like that way. 2 into in bracket 2x plus 3y in bracket close and to 4z. This is 2 into ab and plus b square, that is minus 4z whole square. This is actually first term. This is 2x plus 3y plus 2x into 3y. This is a minus b, a plus b whole square, and this is a minus 2 into a into b plus b square. So it is a minus b whole square. This is the answer. You can write 2x plus 3y minus 4z twice because it has got square on it. As because it has got square, you can write the term twice. Next question, 9x square plus 16y square plus 4z square minus 24xy plus 16yz minus 12xz. Here we have taken 9x square and 16 plus 16yz and 4z square altogether, then the y and z part, that is 2 into 4y plus 2z, because this will be a plus b whole square, and this is a plus this is a, and that 9 x square will be minus 3x whole square, and the after arranging we are getting this is whole square formula, and 2 into a into b plus b square, so it is a square minus 2ab plus b square, that is a plus b. A means 4y plus 2z and b equal to 3x the whole square. Again you can write this 4y plus 2z minus 3x twice because it has got square. Next question, 25x square plus 4y square plus 9z square minus 20xy minus 12yz plus 30xz. As because it is x square, 25x square and plus 9z square, and that is also plus, we have taken together to make it a square. This is square. Similarly in the previous sums, and we have arranged like this way, 2 into 5x plus 3z, because it will be 5x plus 3z whole square, and 2y separately b, and this is b square. In the same way we have done, this is whole square minus 2ab plus b square, that is 5x plus 3z minus 2y whole square. You can also write this 5x plus 3z minus 2y whole square twice. You can write this. Question number factorization 4, 16x square plus 4y square plus 9z square minus 16xy minus 2yz plus 24xz. In the same way as we have done previously, this has been arranged like this way, 16x square and this 24xz, then 9z square to make it a square. Then this one, yz and xz, this is 4x, 2 into 4x plus 3z, because this will come 4x plus 3z whole square, so which will be a, and y equal to minus 2y whole square, that is 4y square will be b. After arranging this, we are getting this one, which is 4x plus 3z minus 2y whole square. You can write this term also twice, and if you write this is also right and that will be also right. Next, evaluate means find the value of 995 whole square. You can break down it as 1000 minus 5 whole square, so a minus b whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square. This is a square means this one, ab means it is 10,000 and 25. After adding and subtracting, we are getting this 990025. Again just see 107 whole square, 107 equal to 100 plus 7 whole square. Consider 100 as a and 7 as b, so it is a square plus 2ab plus b square, and the result is 11449. You will be getting more from your books, and you will follow my class regularly. You will get all the things. You have no need of tuition. Thank you today.